Well, hello there guys, I'm Christy and welcome to my kitchen. So it is a cold and snowy day here in West Virginia. We've got around an inch or so of snow and they're calling for anywhere from 3 to 6 more inches overnight. So I thought, what is better than a big bowl of chili? So I have made a Texas ranch chili in my slow cooker today and I'm super excited. It is all ready, it is done. And it's time for me to dish up a big bowl. But first, let me show you just how to make it. I will leave you the full recipe in the description box below, but it's that time, guys. Time to get cooking. So I have here around 3 pounds of stewed beef. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 2 teaspoons of cumin, then 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Then I have 1 onion and 1 bell pepper chopped. I have here 3 guaillo peppers with the seeds and stem removed, but you could use adobo or chipotle peppers. And now I'm pouring in some boiling water so that they will rehydrate. And I'm going to let them sit for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to blend them up. All right, so I'm just going to give it all a good stir. Next, I'm going to mince 4 cloves of garlic. Then I'm adding the pepper puree. Okay, so what I have here is 1 pound of pinto beans, and I let these soak overnight. And then I will be adding a bottle of pale ale, but if you don't want to use this, you can use beef broth. And next, I will be adding 2 cups of beef broth and 1 small can of tomato paste. Give this all a good stir and cover and cook on high for about 6 to 8 hours, or cook on low for 8 to 10 hours. In the last 30 minutes, if you would like to thicken your chili, you can add 1/4 cup of cornmeal, and this is just a yellow cornmeal, but this is optional. You do not have to add this. So this chili is a Texas ranch chili. A Texas chili is stew beef without any beans, but we like beans, so that's why it's called a Texas ranch chili. But it's perfect, whether you like beans or not, especially on a snowy day. All right, guys, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.